Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today I got three products from you guys from the same company. They're all three of these are UV sanitizers. One of them doubles as a wireless phone charger. The other one is a portable case you could take around with you. And the third one is a toothbrush sanitizer. All of these use UV lighting to kill up to 99.9% of bacteria. Stick around and check it out. Is this UV toothbrush holder. Let's get this open right here. Right. So first thing you see when you open it up is a micro USB cable to charge it. And a user guide. So this is also portable. You can take it wherever you go, charge it up, and just go ahead and insert your toothbrush in here. Just peel this off and stick it on the wall, and there you have it. Portable UV sanitizer for your toothbrush. Next one is a portable UV sanitizer. This is for general items that'll be able to fit in this. Alright, so first thing we see, same thing as the other one. You got your micro USB charger here. Well, actually no, it's not a micro USB, it's actually a Type C. It's pretty cool. Type C USB charger. Quick charges quickly. Charge it up. Take this with you wherever you go. Put it in your bag, put it in your suitcase, wherever. Alright, just hold the button, it turns on. As soon as you close it, UV light comes on. As you can see, the blue color for the UV light. Alright, that's the charging port right there. You can put in anything in here, your house keys, jewelry. You can put your headphones in here, anything. Kills 99.9% of the bacteria. After you work out, after work, after you come home from anywhere, just put them in here and kill that bacteria. Alright, and last but not least, this UV sanitizer here is a bigger version of the previous one we just looked at, but it also doubles as a wireless charger for your phone. Let's go ahead, turn it on, and we'll test it out, see how it works. Okay. It's a pretty hefty size. This one's not meant to be portable at all. You got your USB Type C port right here. Oh, okay. I was looking for it. Didn't come in the box charger, but it was actually inside of here. USB Type C cable with a user guide. You could put your phone in this. You could put multiple jewelry, multiple headphones. Anything that fits in here, you'll be able to sanitize with this. Also doubles as a wireless charger for your phone. We'll go ahead and test that out right now. Alright, so I have the sanitizer here plugged into the USB Type C port. It's charging up right now. And let's go ahead and test out the wireless charger, see if it works. Set it up on there. And there you go. Works flawlessly, actually. And as you can see, it also sanitizes at the same time. Got that UV light working, killing that bacteria. Your phone's dirtier than the bathroom, and the toilet seat has all this bacteria on it. All you have to do is slip it in there. It's about a minute or so, a few minutes. Take it out. 99% of the bacteria is killed. I mean, allegedly. There's no way for me to actually test that, but hey, we just gotta trust them, While you're sanitizing whatever's in there, just charge your phone at the same time. Can't beat it, 2-in-1, sanitizing and charging your phone. In conclusion, I think all of these products work fine. This company, Vie Oli, that's what it's called. I mean, this one here is perfect for while you're traveling. Just keep it in your bag or suitcase. This one here is perfect just to keep right beside on your bed or in your bathroom or wherever, even in your living room. You know, I don't see a reason why you're doing much sanitizing in the living room. Mainly probably on your nightstand in your bedroom. And this one, of course, you know, for your toothbrush, you got to sanitize your toothbrush. You don't want to rub all that bacteria back into your mouth. And there you have it. 3 products here that sanitize your tech, your jewelry, whatever that could fit in here. And this one, 2-in-1 right here, sanitizes, also charges your phone. Let me know what you guys think about this. Leave your comments in the comment section. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxings. Thank you. Until next time.